Welcome everyone to Midwestern University, where two great campuses offer unlimited possibilities in healthcare education. Today we'll embark on an exciting journey to explore the opportunities available at both campuses, where tomorrow's healthcare leaders are being nurtured and empowered. The Midwestern University's Illinois campus, located near Chicago, is where students can enjoy the best of both worlds. They live in a peaceful community while being close to a big city where they can enjoy things like museums, sports teams, and world-class healthcare facilities. And later, we'll visit the Midwestern University's Arizona campus, located in Glendale, Arizona, just minutes away from downtown Phoenix. On this campus, students can study and live on the spacious 156-acre campus and enjoy easy access to nature trails, hiking paths, and foothills. Perfect for study breaks and exploration. I'm your host, Alex Boylan, and over the next hour, we'll explore these two beautiful campuses and meet real students studying at Midwestern University. We'll hear directly from future osteopathic physicians, dentists, optometrists, veterinarians, podiatrists, speech-language pathologists, and other healthcare professionals who will tell us their unique and passionate stories on what led them here. Welcome to Midwestern University. This is the College Tour.